You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com. Helen, tell me what's happened to your right hip.
Thursday or Friday, I started experiencing pain back here, ache and occasional sharp pain shooting through.
Okay, how much pain at worst from 0 to 10?
Up to 10. It takes my breath away. It's been exhausting.
How much pain do you feel while sitting?
Right now, about an 8.
An 8, and is that pain going down to your legs or
No,
just it's
pretty much
localized
right
in the
in this
glute area? Okay, have you had any treatment? It
No.
was last Thursday, 5 days.
I was up in San Francisco walking hills. I have had nothing outside of stretches.
Okay, let's lie on your back. I'll do a couple of assessment and then we'll start our treatment, okay? Let's see your range of motion. Stand up, get in the middle here. I want to see how far you can go down your toes. Slide your arm down. How's that?
It hurts.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
It feels better when I stretch.
Twist back,
A little bit right here.
twist to the left and right. Your back is tight. Side bent left and right. Which one is
Go
worse?
down like that.
Bend to the right, that's
When I go
hurt.
This way it feels better.
When you go forward, relieve it or aggravate
yeah.
it? Going backward is aggravating it. And is that pain sharp going down or just localized in the back? In the right, lie on your side, facing. Here you go. Your pain is right here.
Like here.
Is that painful?
No, it actually feels good.
You
Yeah.
feel that scar tissue? You feel pain?
No,
Or
it's
just
muscle.
You can work on it and you feel the tightness in your fascia.
Definitely feels better.
0 to 10, how much is now?
I don't even feel anything right now.
It was 8 when we started.
Maybe like a 2.
Let's drink some more and tell me if you still feel it. How much from 0 to 10? Okay, let me do a couple of things and see if we get it down to 0. I like 0.
Yeah. I'm with you.
You will take that?
No, I like to have nothing here.
I love to be in. Is that too much? Is it too much? I did not try that before, actually. I didn't know that. But let me just loosen up everything. Any pain over there?
No, it's fine.
Let's drink a little more water. From 0 to 10. About
I feel a little something here.
how much like two-ish in that spot.
Yeah.
Let me do one more thing. Right here. Is that painful? Or is it
No,
okay?
not at all.
Let me know when this is here. Any pain with that or it's okay?
No, it's fine.
How's this feel?
It feels good. Go a little more to the left.
This left? Okay.
Not the other left. No. And maybe down a little bit.
In here,
Yeah.
that's where I find it. Okay. How does it feel?
Feels good.
I'm doing deep fascia release and I have different instruments to do superficial fascia, deep fascia release. So I will save my hands and actually, usually it's comfortable for a patient as long as they give feedback. Our goal is not to aggravate the symptoms, just to do a gentle maneuver to relieve the symptoms. You still feel it or it's gone?
No, it feels better now.
Okay. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Can you tell us what you think about the ASTR
I think it's wonderful.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
went from 8 to nothing.
treatment?
Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.